For years, people said Nikon was finished. Too late, too slow, too boring. But in 2026, Nikon didn't just seconds come back. They completely flipped the market. Music, and the craziest part, whether you're a beginner, a creator, or a working professional, Nikon's lineup can feel overwhelming. At number 3, we have the Nikon Z50 Mark II. The Nikon Z52 is a compact APS-C mirrorless camera designed for photography and video. It's a great option for beginners, content keep discovering creators, and enthusiast first-look Z52 photographers who want strong performance in a lightweight body. Produces sharp, detailed photos with natural colors. High ISO up to 51,200 for low-light photography, advanced autofocus with face, eye, and subject detection. Can detect people, animals, cars, birds, and more. Continuous shooting up to 30 frames per second, 11 frames per second mechanical shutter. 30 frames per second electronic shutter. Pre-release capture records images before pressing the shutter, fully Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy transfer to phone. USB-C charging support. Battery life around 230 to 350 shots per charge. Supports external microphone and webcam mode via USB-C. Very good camera for YouTube and content creation. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy photo transfer. SnapBridge app support for phone connections. Set picture control standard. 31 built-in bleach blue Uprupa color presets for creative photos. Nikon imaging cloud Wi-Fi setting around 300 to 350 shots per charge. USB-C charging supported. Preparing them and putting them together in a dish produces very clean photos with it. Makes me realize that I am main character in my own life. Good dynamic range. Details in while creating my own imaging recipe. I placed importance on emphasizing the warm colors are natural and easy to edit in Lightroom or comfortable feel in the realizing images. Great for portraits, landscapes, street photography, and everyday shooting. For example, when capturing moments like family diners, conversation with friends, or quality time with a pet. Fast and reliable AF for most weather. The immediately in the you can add a warm feeling, convey a sense of simple joy. Next, Nikon ZF that combines modern imaging technology with classic. Lucy Hamidzada. I would say my genre is my take on street photography. I like to capture the emotion and moments that go on around me because it is as well as the essence of places and people. Retro-inspired design. Reminiscent of Nikon's iconic film cameras. My name Kuki Hamidzada. Like I am based in London and I am a photographer and writer. The FM2 block and while for me and FE2. It brings you to the essence of an image, it drawing you to and not just taking a photo of the surface. So let me I say the best think you see more because it's just more compelling and a more powerful image. Same technology found in the style and design of ZF series for fast performance. It's a beautiful looking camera. They lever on the Nikon ZF is genius and or the transition from color to black and white just one flick or the it just seem less frame BSI actually shooting in black and white was really exciting because you are seeing the world in black and white or the you are turning your eye to see what work well. Same sensor family in the or if environment that you are in. Immediately you are having to be more creative because of the absence of color physical dials. The lighting on important part in black and white with Manadcom. You are relying on the contrast whether sealed body speed between the light and the dark in and to build then narrative and in so monochrome. Works brilliantly for chasing light because you get sharp shadow and detail. Fully articulating touch texture is really exaggerated in black and white, so if you can see like someone's skin then you know the fallacies of hair and skin detail it will be. So I am always looking out for that texture. Excellent image quality. Monochrome, deep tone monochrome and flat monochrome. Strong low light performance. The three modes all work differently, so the monochrome mode is quite contrasty for me. My camera becomes my best friend. I want it to be in and I want it to become part of me. Not only is it powerful, the ZFS got an iconic comfortable feel. It becomes an extension of me when I was shooting with it, then it will be the make it iconic. At last, Z63 for in the outperforming technologies around 8MP. The world first partially stacked CMOS sensor. The world first partially stacked CMOS sensor. A faster readout digital zoom. For main benefit of the partially stacked CMOS sensor. So if pre-release capture up to 120 frames per second. Capture fleeting moments just before the shutter release. Larger and heavier than budget cameras. Advanced subject tracking weather-sealed professional body, a smooth view of fast-moving subjects, 3-inch LCD. Touchscreen on some models, full HD 240p in 10-bit H.265 travel videos, family or further the in-camera 6K RAW and 5.4K ProRes 4K HQ. This is an inexpensive basic video camera, mainly for casual use like travel videos or family recording. It is not a professional. The world brightest 4,000 candelas per cubic meter EV 16 times digital zoom in EV with 5760K resolution in EV with DCI-P3 gamma equivalent compatibility for outstanding performance inherited from the Z9 Nikon X7. So the powerful autofocus that defects 9 subject types available for both skills and video, and the at reliable autofocus in backlit scenes detect human faces even in still holds. Mirrorless camera launched in 2024 and videographers small face detection of approximate 3% of the frame long side AF detection range down to -10 f/ev expand shooting possibilities, excellent image quality, rich tone portrait picture control realizes radiant and beautiful rendering of skin textures, skin softening smoothens skin white, keeping hair and eye sharp, captures moments before you in outperform faster continuous shooting. Better autofocus performance of the best Z6 III.